Pretending. I say I'm fine, I'm doing well. Well, ain't we all? Pretending. Been faking it. When are we making it? Z says the oven is ready, gave her dough, now she's baking it. Is it best to pretend to be okay? No, just to avoid what people are gonna say. Is it okay to smile while inside you cry? Stop crying, man. Maybe it's best just to lie to yourself and pretend you're never gonna die. We're all gonna die. But isn't it best to be honest to yourself? Embrace reality in your own nest. Grow your true confidence and spread your wings and fly. That way you ain't gotta lie. That way you know who you are and where you've been and where you're going to. You ain't gotta be scared to die. We're all going to. Just like I said. But as you breathe right now, smile genuinely. No more pretending. No more pretending. I'm for Pa Swan.